Hello, welcome our Gear Research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best RV leveling blocks that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Camco Durable Leveling Block Caps. If you have a trailer weighing 30,000 pounds or under, the Camco 44425 RV curved leveler could be an excellent option to solve any leveling issues. One of the many things I like about this product happens to be its honeycomb design. This honeycomb design allows these levelers to be lightweight, which makes transporting and storing these products much easier. But this design also keeps them durable to ensure these products end up offering effective results for a long time. It's a combination that any RV owner should be looking for in these products. You should love that this leveler comes with an included chock to make this entire process a more convenient experience as well. This chock also has non-slip rubber grippers on the bottom, which ensures slippage won't be an issue during the using process. I found another appealing trait with this leveler's ability to offer an additional 4 inches in height. This aspect will ensure you can tailor the user experience based on your preferences regarding height adjustment. It's just another way this leveler appeals to a wide range of customers. But none of these features is my favorite thing about this level. This title goes to its bargain bin price, which makes it an ideal product for any bargain buyer. And since I'm one of the biggest bargain buyers out there, you can bet I appreciate this low cost greatly. It's also helpful that this product comes in either a 1-pack or 2-pack. This option of choice gives you a bit more control over the buying experience. In the end, you're not going to do a lot better than these Camco RV leveling blocks. Number 2, ANDERSEN HITCHES RV Accessories Single Camper Leveler. ANDERSEN HITCHES 3604 Camper Leveler brings a level of convenience that most other models can't match. This aspect comes from their easy using process, which requires only a few minutes to set up and get ready. In fact, several customers reported the setup took less than 5 minutes in their reviews. This aspect would be a massive benefit for me because I don't enjoy doing these maintenance tasks. Any feature capable of shortening the time I spend doing them is a winning trait to me. These levelers are also considered durable, which is another aspect I found attractive. I mean, who wouldn't want a set of motorhome leveling blocks that can last more than a few years? I know, I'd sign up for this benefit whenever I'm looking for a good set of leveling blocks. It's worth mentioning that these products can lift your RV up to 4 inches without issue. This aspect provides a bit of control over the process and allows you to adjust based on your height preferences. These levelers are rather versatile as well, with their ability to work on any vehicle under 30,000 pounds. It's a feature that means these blocks would work perfectly for my Class A motorhome, which hovers around 28,000 pounds give or take. It doesn't hurt that these levelers work on any tire with diameter up to 32 inches either. This aspect only further proves these products would be an ideal option for me, given my 30-inch RV tires. You should feel some comfort about them being made in the USA as well. The location of their creation might not seem like a big deal at first glance. But products made within the States go through a lot more testing than items created in certain foreign countries. As a result, you can feel more safe about using them than with a leveler made in another country. Number 3, Beech Lane Camper Leveler 2-Pack Precise. Frustration-free leveling arrives at campsites with these Beech Lane dual-wheel leveling blocks. Their dimensions fit dual-axle campers, and their myriad of features promote convenience on and off parking spots. Starting with its material, the brand made these leveling ramps sturdier than many competitors thanks to their heavy-duty custom-engineered polymer blend constructions. These blocks are, perhaps, the sturdiest leveling systems I used. They seem to be bulletproof graded. Hence, they are more durable than other products made from high-density polyethylene, HDPE, and polypropylene, PP, plastics. Each Beech Lane camper leveler in the pack can also accommodate up to 35,000 pounds of camper weight. It's a breath of fresh air to see these ramps hold onto a Class C trailer without any sign of wear and tear. As mentioned earlier, these blocks have 6-inch widths to accommodate dual-wheeled trailers. It's because their designs make it possible to place them together, forming a secure and stable platform for 2 wheels. Leveling is also quite a joy as these levels are quite accurate. Each increment is about half an inch, and the total height can go up to 4 inches. With these figures, these tools can comply with different alignment requirements for various camps and parking sites. Number 4, CARMTEK Camper Leveler Kit Curved RV Levelers. CARMTEK 0035547 camper leveler kit has excelled the market-worthy competitors with its efficient jointing system, strong construction, and faster leveling. These best RV leveling blocks are my personal favorite because I experimented with them and they prove to be lightweight, durable, and multifunctional leveling blocks to go for. CARMTEK 0035547 comes with a jointing system that has got the best anti-slip features. Thanks to the CARMTEK engineers for adopting such an intelligent design, having accurate grip channels over the block's surface. That is why you will never see your RV slipping as you level it with the CARMTEK 0035547. Part of the product's sturdy construction comes from its anti-slip jointing system. This feature prevents the leveler from sliding while the vehicle moves. In contrast, this is a problem experienced by many low-quality leveling ramps. Leveling the RV is also fast and accurate. Plus, I can level my RV up to 4 inches in height in less than 5 minutes, as the process is done in 3 easy steps. Another benefit is the brand's thoughtfulness of providing users with the option to trim this device. The ramp can be cut up to 4 inches without adverse effects. Kindly note that cutting this leveling tool can help balance certain carriers. There are also detailed instructions to properly trim the level to reduce mistakes. Number 5. OxGord RV Leveling Ramps Camper or Trailer Leveler. The OxGord RV Camper Leveler Ramps is another option that has been praised consistently for its easy using process. This praise comes from the product being a drive on incline. All you have to do is figure out how much height is needed and drive onto the leveling ramp. Sounds simple enough, right? Well, it is, and this aspect isn't the only thing these ramps offer with their use. I also love that it can carry up to 11,000 pounds per axle, which will provide a great deal of versatility. You should find this product's lightweight design to be attractive as well. This aspect just makes every part of having these products in your life much easier, from storing to using. Everything about these products becomes more manageable because of their lighter weight. Its non-slip surface was another nice touch and should make sure everything goes off without a hitch. Your RV shouldn't have any trouble with sliding or slipping off when driving onto them with this surface. This product also happens to come in a pack of 2 for convenience purposes. It's just another feature that shows OxGord was really trying to cover every want and need a customer could have with this level. Its low price only further proves this claim. You shouldn't sleep on its 1-year warranty either, as it'll give you a little wiggle room. All in all, it's another product that's ready to ensure your RV's leveling problems become a non-issue at a moment's notice. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.